plate is missing, so I'm just gonna weld bolts to the end, or weld nuts to the inside of the frame, and then run bolts through it. I'm like, bro, you know we have Rivnuts, right?
That's a lot of nuts!
I was like, that's literally its purpose in life.
Yeah.
And he was like, huh? And I'm like, I'll get him on.
Because it's held on by tape. Okay.
2 Rivnuts on this, and guess what? We have an opening door now.
Get the fuck out of here.
So it was missing all of the holes on this side.
Oh, okay.
On the bottom one. So there was no way to put the bolts in. So I just got the M8 Rivnuts, put them in, crimped them in, and functional door.
Yeah. Dude, that's amazing.
I'm like, 2 bolts on either side is enough for exactly what he needs to do to mock it up.
Yeah. If you're gonna nut, Rivnut.
Wow, that would be a great solution. Hey, it opens. How about the driver's side? It's, yeah, I know, right? It's starting to look like a fucking car.